Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Big D in the house. Remember, if you guys are new, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you won't miss any of me and my little doggy's future video. As you can see, I got my original shirt on, and now today I'm gonna be doing a no burping challenge. Whew. You, you see this? This is Stars and Stripe. This is the Stars and Stripe lemon lime, almost like a Sprite. All right, you guys, I'm about to do like a no burping challenge. Now, let's see if I could try to go longest without burping. And it's the no burping challenge. It means you gotta try to drink it without burping. Well, here goes nothing. Okay, I just opened this bottle. Now, I'm about to drink some. See, nothing happened on this part. Okay, here we go. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man, they really want to come up. Man. This is how much I got left. Hey, what you know? Oh man. Oh man, that really wanted to come up. Oh boy. Okay. Oh man. Oh man. Oh. Oh. Oh man. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, darn it. This is how much I got left. Right down here. Oh, I can do this. I can do this. Okay, I can do this. I can do it. Oh man. Oh man, that bird really want to come out so bad. Okay, steady now. Okay, is it done? Man. Aw, shucks. That's the fourth time it came. Man, that's the fourth time. Look how much I got left. It's right down here. Oh dear. Oh no. Oh no. Oh man, this burping is a lot stronger than we thought. Well guys, I'm about to go now. But that's all the time I have for today. But this is Big D and Chopper. Thanks. See you next time. Peace. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everybody else and your family. Peace. Oh, boy.